So in this question, 10 is per 22 particles, each of mass 10 is to the minus 26 kilograms are striking perpendicular to a wall, area of 1 meter square, with the speed of 10 is to the power 4 meter per second in 1 second. Okay, so we need to find out the pressure if the collision is perfectly elastic. So what do we mean by the collision? If collision is perfectly elastic, that energy is conserved. Okay, and here are the four options. So the question is that there is a wall which is having area of 1 meter square, and there is a beam of particles 10 raised to power 22 number of particles, each of mass 10 raised to power minus 26 kgs, so which is striking this wall, and we need to find out the pressure that this beam exerts on the wall. So it can be found out by uh, that change of momentum of a particle is equals to m into v. V is the velocity, and collision frequency or the total number of particles is 10^22. So force exerted is equals to change in momentum per unit time, which is 10^22 into the change in momentum, which is mv. So force is equals to 10^22 into 10^-26 into 2 into 10^4, which comes out to be 2. So pressure exerted is equals to F by A, which is 2 by 1. So 2 Newton per meter square is the answer, which is option A.